right? Symbolically, the addition, symbolically, the addition to the elements, of ith row, the corresponding elements of jth row multiplied k is denoted by Ri tends to Ri plus K or J. Ri tends to Ri plus K or J. Students, listen carefully here. Listen carefully. Now, I am taking capital A is equal to 1, 2, 2 minus 1. 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Listen carefully, students. In the second row, what is the first element here? In the second row, first element, please respond, all of you. In the second row, what is the first element?
2, ma'am.
Hello? Yeah,
Two.
tell all of you, respond, ma.
Ma'am.
Yeah, 2. In the second row, first element is 2. That 2 make it as 0 with the help of first row. That 2 make it as 0 with the help of first row. Tell me, students. How can you tell me? That 2 make it as 0 with the help of first row. 2 upper element is 1.
Yes,
2 upper element is 1. Students. Tell me. So where we have 2 is make it as 0 means here 2 implies. So R2. Yeah.
Of any
R2 implies R2 minus. So 1 is there now. 2 upper element is 1. 2 upper element is 1. So we make it as 0, 2 means we can write multiply with the 2. 2 into R1.
Yes, ma'am.
Respond, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
R2
ma'am.
minus 2 R1. So
Yes,
is equal to first row elements write as it is. Please listen careful, all of you. First row elements write as it is. Second row elements. Now what is R2? What is R2 first element? 2
Ma'am, ma'am.
minus yeah.
of any
What's the doubt? Please respond.
of any rows and columns, the what is it, ma'am? The car corrected and what is it, ma'am?
Corresponding elements of any other row or column multiplied by any non-zero number. Okay. Now tell me, students. So first row elements write as it is. Second row first element is 2. Listen carefully. This is 2 minus 2 into what is upper element? R1 upper element is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond, students, all of you. Next, second row first element is completed. Tell me second element also. Second element. What is the second element here? What is the second element? Please respond, students.
Minus
R2 is minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 upper element is
2.
minus 1 upper element is 2. Totally what you get here? Minus 1 minus 4, which is equal to how much? Minus 5. Yeah. So like that we have to do. So what and all we want by using row operation or a column operation, we can apply the operation. Then what and all make it as 0. But we can do it not only 0, but which element we want, we can do this operation. Okay. Students, is
Yes,
clear?
ma'am, clear.
Okay, right now. See, elementary transformation, it is somewhat difficult only, and that too, it is very important for 3 marks. PU students, it is important for 3 marks, 3 by 2 by 2. 3 by 3 matrix is important for, very important for you, CBSE students also. So last time it is deleted syllabus. This year we don't know, but that's why here we complete this concepts also.
Ma'am, still they have not told anything about CBSE portions, right, ma'am?
No, no. Even local college, they didn't start no second year still.
They started, ma'am.
Started, Mm-hmm.
ಈರಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ ಎರಡ್ ಸತಿ ಕೂಗ್ಲಿ.
Can you scroll down?
This is the first one.
This is only the first one.
Yeah, this is the first one.
No, can show that one.
ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡು.
What, ma?
Ma'am, can you show the definition, the third one? Number 3.
Yeah. This one only,
No,
na?
no, this one, ma'am, the blue color one ink you wrote now, that one.
This one only, ra?
Ma'am, not this example,
this
ma'am,
one?
down, ma'am.
This one,
Yeah,
na?
this one.
Completed students, please respond.
I'm sure last one, ma'am.
Last. Write down, students.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋರು ಇವತ್ತು. ಅದೇನು ಹಾ
Students, please unmute yourself. Mute yourself, please. Completed students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, students, listen carefully, all of you. Each and every step, it is very important. This is elementary transformations. So one problem to understand, no, it is easy can do remaining of exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4, listen carefully, students, all of you. Using elementary transformation. Using elementary transformation operation, anything. Find the inverse of the matrix. Inverse of the matrix. Students, first of all, tell me first point. ai is equal to, we can write a, students, please respond. ai is equal to a, we can write,
Yes,
students.
ma'am.
A into I is equal to I. Sorry, a equal to capital A. Any doubt here? A into identity matrix is equal to capital A. I is what? Identity matrix. So just consider as one. A into 1 is nothing but A only. Next, please respond, students, all of you. A into A inverse is equal to
I, ma'am.
A.
I, ma'am.
I. Respond, all of you. A into A inverse is equal to I.
I.
All of you know, any doubt here? A into A inverse is equal to I. Okay. Now, first question. First question I'm writing. First I'm taking 2 by 2. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Students, listen. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. We know that. Now I'm writing A is equal to AI. You can write like this, students. Please respond. You can write like this. We know that capital A is equal to A into I. We can write it, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, respond, students. All of you. Otherwise, tell me. Don't want class means I will close the class now. Respond, all of you. Don't know single. This one simple thing only. A is equal to A. I write like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Respond.
we can.
Yeah, please respond, ma'am. Okay. Now, in place of A, right, given matrix. What is given matrix? 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Okay. Equal to. So here also, right, same matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Okay. Students, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? Now, students, one here first we can write it. I into A also we can write it, students. I into A also we can write it. I into A we can write it.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. A is equal to I into A, we can write it or not? Same only na? Same only
ma'am,
na?
same
Please
only.
respond, students.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
same. Now, yeah. I means identity matrix. Identity matrix means you can write 1, 0, 0,
0,
1.
1.
That A write as it is. That A write as it is. That A write as it is. Okay. I is identity matrix. Here LH side capital A is right given matrix 1 minus 1 equal to identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Students, listen carefully. Here we want A inverse we have to find out. When you will get A inverse, this matrix, this is identity matrix. Identity matrix means capital I. Capital I. So this identity matrix, so in place of identity matrix, here we have to find A inverse into A. Then only you can get A inverse, right, students? Students, here given matrix capital A, convert into identity matrix by using elementary operation. Elementary operation. Then only you can get identity matrix capital I. That same operation apply RH side also. Then we can get A inverse. Then we can get A inverse. So first, listen carefully, all of you. Now
Ma'am, can
here
you repeat?
LH side, yeah, LH side is then 1 minus 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. This full matrix is converted into identity matrix. Identity matrix. So if we get identity matrix, I is inverse into A. Okay, na? If you convert into identity matrix, RH side, that same operation you apply RH side also, then we can get A inverse. Okay. Now in elementary transformation, use only either rows or columns, not both. Either rows operation or column operation, not both. Okay, na? Suppose here, one step if you apply row operation, if another step if you apply column operation, means that method is wrong. Elementary thing, but if you apply either rows operation or columns operation. So here that which one easy for these two means row operation is very easy compared to column operation. Understood, students, what I am telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Students,
Now, Miss Monica.
yeah. Now I'm taking row operation. Row operation. Students, this full matrix is converted into identity matrix means first identity matrix means what, students? 1 0
1.
0, right? 1 0 0 1. Yeah, elementary transformation. This full matrix is converted into identity matrix means first of all start with the second row first element, second row first element. Students, so here every problem do like this only. Second row first element, what is there here? 2 is there, but identity matrix is nothing but what, student? Identity matrix is nothing but what, students? Please, 0 0 1. That is, so here 1 is there, no need to change. So but here minus 1 is there, this minus 1 is changed to 0. Now here second row 2 is there, the 2 is make it as 0. Next element is 3 is there, this 3 is make it as 1. Okay, by using row operation. Okay, so see, students, here you are applying row operation. Second row first element is 2, second row first element is 2, that 2 is 0 with the help of first row. Students, understood what I am telling?
Yes,
Here 2
ma'am.
is there, make it as 0 with the help of first row. Now, what is the first row? First row is 2 upper element is 1. 2 upper element is 1. If it is 2 is there, if you subtract that to 2, then it will get you 0, right? Tell me that operation. Tell me that operation. Operation, tell me. We can write R2 implies R2 minus 2 into R1. Then you can get 0 in the second row first place.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me the answer. So first row write as it is 1 minus 1 write as it is. Now apply second row. Tell me, students, what do you write here? R2. So R2 implies second
Zero.
row. What the given operation? R2 first element is 2 minus 2 into element is 1. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Next, in the second row, next one more element is there, 3. Now tell me that element. So here 3 minus 2 into what is the upper element? Minus 1. So here what is here?
5.
Minus into minus plus 5. Same operation apply right side also. So 1 0 right as it is. 1 0 right as it is. Now you are applying operation second row, right? Now tell me what. Tell me, students, what you write here? What is the second row first element?
0.
Second row, what is the first element here? 0. Please respond. 0. 0 minus 2 into 0 upper
Minus
element is 1. What is the value? Minus 2. Next element also there, no second row. Next element is 1. Substitute in place of 1 is 1. 1 minus 2 into 1 upper element is 0.
0.
So 1 minus 2 into A. Into A. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, right? What's the answer will get you? Students, please respond. 1 only, in a right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond, students. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Can you repeat
Next
this?
operation. Yeah. See. Here, students, listen carefully of you. So here we know that capital A is equal to I into A. First, right here, A is given matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 3, which is equal to identity matrix means 1, 0, 0, 1 into A, right as it is. Here, left side, what the given matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 3 is converted into identity matrix by using row operation. First, with the second row first element. Second row first element, what is there here? 2 is there. This 2 is make it as 0 with the help of first row. With the help of first row. with the help of first row. Tell me this operation, students. So we can write R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. The same operation apply right side also. So now elements, first row elements. Hello, my voice is clear, students? The first row write as it is. Why? Tell me your operation on second row only. So write first row elements write as it is. Students, is it clear? Now, now tell me. R2 implies
two
R2
minus-
minus 2R1.
Minus two
So what is
into
R?
1.
Yeah, substitute. R2 first element is 2 minus 2 into R1. 2 upper element is R1. 2 what you get here? 2 minus 2 is equal to what you get here? 0, right? 0, right? Students understood what I'm telling here?
Yes, ma'am.
Students understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm writing here, students, first step. So first 2 minus 2 into 1, it is equal to 0. That 0 value right here. Next, in the second row, you're applying second row means not only 2 and one more element also there. What is that element? 3.
3 minus 2
minus 2
Yeah, substitute.
minus 1.
Yeah, it's 2 into 3 upper element. 3 upper element
Minus
is
1.
R1.
Minus 1. And
Now
the
which is equal to how much?
5.
5. So that one right here, 5. So left side matrix completed. That same operation apply right side also. Right side also. Now tell me what they given. First row write as it is elements 1, 0, 1, 0, write as it is. Now tell me, students.
0
Now tell me.
minus
Very good. 0. R2 first element is 0 minus
2
tell
into
me
1.
2 into 1.
2 into 1. Now it is equal to how much?
ಏನಮ್ಮ
That is equal to how
Minus
much?
2.
Minus 2. Very good. Are you following, students? Please respond.
1 minus
students.
2 into 0.
ಏನಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ
Next.
1
Next item,
minus 2
students.
into
Minus 2
0.
into 0.
ಒಂದು 5
1
ನಿಮಿಷ
minus
1
1 minus 2 into 0.
1.
1 into A. That A right as it is. That into A right as it is. Any doubt, students? Please respond. That into A right as it is. Okay, na? Now see that left side matrix. So here to convert into identity matrix means next which one take it as in the second row. In the second row, the 5 make it as 1. 5 make it as 1. Tell me how to write. Here applying second condition. Here applying second condition. Tell me. You have to apply second condition. Which
5
condition that
minus
is?
2 into
That 5 make it as 1, Amma. That 5 make it as 1. Here we have to apply second condition. What is that condition? That 5 make it as 1 means what to do?
5 plus 4 into minus 1.
Students, that 5 make it as 1 means second row divided by 5, right? Second row, R2 implies 1 by 5 into R2, we can write it, no?
yes, ma'am.
Now tell me. First row elements write as is 1 minus 1. 0 by 5 is 0. 5 by 5 is 1.
0.
Any doubt?
1.
Next, same apply operation as right
We'll
side
divide
also.
by minus
1, 0 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 into A. Any doubts, students?
No.
Next, which one you have to change? Identity matrix we want means RH side, left side.
First row minus 1 we have to change.
Very good. That minus 1. First row, second element. First row, second element minus 1 is there. That minus 1 make it as 0. That minus 1 make it as 0 with the help of lower element. Lower element means second row. Now tell me, if you add these two, then you can get 0, right? Then we can
Yes.
write. Yeah, tell me.
Plus R1.
Yeah, first. Yeah, very good. So R1 implies R1 plus R2. So this minus 1, what we want here, make it as 0
Minus 1
with the
plus
help
1
of,
will become 0.
yeah, tell me, with the help of second row. Now tell me, students.
1 plus 0 is 1.
1 plus 0 is 1. Next,
Minus
minus
1
1
plus 1
plus
is
0
0.
is 0. So second row elements write as it is. Now add these two matrix also. 1 minus 2 by 5, 0 plus 1 by 5. So second row elements write as it is. Minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 into A. Next, 1 0 0 1 equal to, take LCM is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3 by 5. It is 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 into A. Students, how it will be, tell me, this is capital I, this is A inverse into A. Then only we can get what is A inverse? What is A
3 by
inverse?
5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5.
Yeah, 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 is the answer. Any doubt? Is it clear, students?
Ma'am,
Ah,
this is orange color thing. That step is orange color.
orange color step.
You did
Yeah,
addition.
yeah, yeah. Students, here that minus 1, make it as 0. That is minus 1. Make it as 0 with the help of lower element. Now tell me, minus 1 is there. If you add plus 1, then only you can get 0, right? Okay. Now here, what is the minus 1 lower element is 1. If I add these two, then you can get 0, no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that's why here, which operation we have to apply here? R1 implies R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. Now,
Multiply
first,
1 plus 0 and minus 1 plus 1.
sorry, hello?
Write the first two elements. You added 1 plus 0 and minus 1.
Yes, 1 plus 0 is 1 only. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Write down, students.
Ma'am, show last.
1 minute. Right, all of you?
Show last line. No?
Complete fast.
Wait, ma'am.
Right slowly. Important, but this is 3 marks.
Ma'am, can you show that R2 gives 1 by 5 R? Yeah.
Ma'am, can you show the last part?
Ma'am, today's not.
Okay. Completed, students? We'll start next problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next item. Student, next problem. 2, 1, 1, 1. Write down all of you. Second problem. 2, 1, 1, 1. Tell me fast, step by step. Please, students, respond all of you.
A is equal to I. So
Very good.
this
Yeah,
2,
A
1,
is
1, 1 is
equal to
equal
I
to
into
1,
A.
0,
Very
0,
good.
1 into A.
Right, all of. If you write this step also, 1 mark. 2, 1, 1, 1 equal to identity matrix is
1,
1, 0,
0,
0,
0, 1 into A.
0. Okay. So here we want identity matrix. No, this 2, 1, 1 make convert into identity matrix. So first compulsory I have to
R2
start with the
minus
second
2
row,
R1.
first element only. So 1 is there. That 1 make it as 0 with the help of upper element. Now tell me that operation.
R2 implies R2
Yeah, R2 implies, very good. Upper element is 2 is there, lower element is 1 is there. You want to 0 means which value you have to multiply?
0 only, ma'am.
0 only possible, right?
Ma'am, we have to multiply R to that row 1.
2 R2 minus.
2 minus 2, like R1.
Yeah, 2 R2 minus R1.
2 minus 2
Tell me
is
the
like
answer.
0.
Yeah, first
2 into
first row write as it
Into
is
1
2, 1.
minus 2.
This value is 0. Understood, all of you? 2 into 1 minus 2, it is equal to 0. Next,
2
second row,
into
next
1
element
minus
is
1.
2 into 1
Minus
minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1.
1.
Apply here same 1, 0. Apply here also 1, 0. Here
2 into 0 minus 1.
2 into 0
Minus 1.
minus 1, which is equal to minus 1.
Minus 1. 2 into 1 minus 0.
Next,
into 1 minus
here 2
2
into 1
into
minus
1
1
minus 0.
2.
into
2,
A.
ma'am.
Next, what I had to change here? The first
Second,
row,
first row, first element should be
first
1.
element 2 is there. The 2 is make it as 1. Okay, but first to do one thing. First row, second element 1 is there. Na, that 1 make it as 0 with the help of lower element. Don't see that 2.
R2
Don't
minus
see that
R1.
2. First row, second element is 1. Make it as 0 with the help of second row. That is lower element. Now tell me. 1
R1
minus 1,
minus
you can
R2.
write R1 minus R1. R2. Very good. Now tell me the answer. So 2 minus 0 is 2 only. 1 minus 0 is 0, 0, 1. Now that implies R1 minus R2.
2.
1 minus of minus 2.
2.
This value it is minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 1 to write as it is into A. The 2 make it as 1. That 2 make it as 1. That 2 make it as 1. What to do? Student, that 2 make it as 1. What to do, students? R1 implies 1 by 2 R1, right? Divided by 2, right? Students, my voice is
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me the answer. 2 by 2 is 1. 0 by 2 is 0. 0, 1. So which is equal to 2 by 2 is 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 1 into A. So this is capital I, this is the A inverse into A. So therefore A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 1. Is it clear, all of you? Is there any doubt? Please respond. Please respond, students. Is there any doubt?
No, mama.
Right.
Okay.
Students, clear? Is it clear, students, all of you? Yeah. Right, questions? Homework, right? Practice this new problem. Okay, students? Completed, all of you?
Completed.
Okay, students, we'll close the class now.
Okay.
Bye. 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 Bye.